Welcome back in this session. Variable in Terraform. So how to define variable, how to use variable, and what is the importance of variable, that we'll discuss in this session. So basically Terraform script divide in three different sections. One is the main script where the main resource are going to create. Another is variable scripts where the variables are defined, and the third one is the output script where all your output are kept. So this is not the Terraform given the any recommendation, but this is the industry recommendation that we should use the certain structure. You can make your own structure, no issues, but this use will be more easy and with more manageable in terms of Terraform execution. So Terraform use the variable to hide secrets. So the key point is that I cannot give my username and credentials detail in variable, that we should make such where we can hide the secrets, that we will see in next slides. The next one is variable value change as per region. So why variable is required? Because in some case region are getting changed, in some case the values are differ from the different accounts, kind of production account having the different instance type, or the QA or a dev account having the different instance type. So we have to use variable where variable can understand, and variable will pass the value based on the your account and based on your region. So the condition should map with the proper case. So this is a sample where we have used the provided details. In the provided details we have passed the access key and secret key. So this is not recommended where you are directly exposing your access key and secret key. So in case you have given this case, so it will be open for the all who knows your code. So we should hide these things using the variable. So we can use the variable like this, where we refer the variable for the region, for the access key, and for the secret key. So we have to use the variable where the variable are kept the different where, and the main script are kept the different where. So both having the different reference. So main thing is here the provider having the reference only, no variable defined over in main script. So how do we define variable? So we create one variable.tf file. In that variable.tf file, we'll create the variable as per the given example. That's access key, secret key, and region. So here I didn't give any input for the access key and secret key. So that's a blank value. So the blank value will be passed from the tf_vars. So at tf_vars I have created one more file where the tf_vars having the value of access key and secret key. I kept here blank just because of the showing, but the same will be filled up in the demo section. But you can understand that the tf_var having the access key value, secret key value, and region value. You can make your region value over here, but and the variable.tf having the region value will be override. So if you pass from the tf_vars, it will be override from the variable.tf. So by default, if I am not giving the any region value in tf_vars, the default will be taken as the US East 1. But access key and secret key, that we have to pass from the tf_vars. So tf_var will not be directly exposed to the code, because we will keep the in git ignore file. So git ignore file will not make the commit for the terraform.tf_vars, because tf_var are kept as a secrets for Terraform. So this we will see in next session how to use this completely variable reference and tf_vars, that will completely understand in next demo section.